I like to sync the pre-delay. This is going to be a fun part. It's not part of this. It's not part of this chapter, but I want to do it to show you this trick anyway. I'm going to make like a half tempo slapback delay with the reverb. So this, I look at the half of the distance between one kick and the other one. I see here 238 milliseconds. So I'm going to write that here in the Vintage Verb, 238 milliseconds, very short delay. And let's gives a very, very nice then you have that type of a slapback that goes really well with the song. You can put the drums out of this in at any time and it will sound amazing together with the you can make the build up and then filter it all and leave it alone together with the kick and the bass, and that will make a killer record in a minute, just with muting everything. I highly recommend to play with the delay times, with the pre-delay times in the reverbs, because that makes a lot of records very interesting.